Welcome to Tech Setup. In this video we're going to do a complete gaming rig makeover with a Corsair 7000D full tower. Check it out. Now I'm going to do a dry fit to make sure everything lines up, all the standoffs are in correctly, and there's a dowel pin there. These are the parts we're going to use for this build. I'll list them in the description. We ordered this graphic processor from Texas, and it took about a week to get. It's pretty awesome. Check it out. A 3080 Ti. The motherboard for this build is an ASUS ROG Strix B550. The CPU is an AMD Ryzen 9 5900X 12-core processor. We're going to install 32 gigs of crucial memory in here. That should give enough power for gaming. For cooling, we're going to install a Corsair radiator, 420 millimeter radiator. This is going to keep this computer super cool. And I gotta say, it looks super cool with all the lights on it. It has 3 fans, and those fans are all RGB. This is a perfect place to mount the controller for the RGB fans. Here we're wrapping the wire around a screwdriver to create a coil, and that's going to bring all the wire management looking really clean and organized. Hey guys, go ahead and subscribe. We need to get some new subscribers coming into this channel so we can build more videos like this and build some killer gaming rigs with some cool parts. Hey, the parts list is going to be in the bottom of the description of this YouTube video, so feel free to check them out. If you need to buy some parts, that's cool. It takes you to our Amazon account and it helps us out a little bit. Right on, dude. This is it. Check it out. Please subscribe. Bye.